In a world overflowing with information, how do we know what to trust? Every day, we are bombarded with news, social media posts, and countless opinions. But not all information is created equal. Technology truly connects us, but it can also create challenges.
One of the most pressing issues we face today is cyberbullying. In just one click, it can already cause a big problem. You probably don't know how much your word hurts. It is clearly like a knife that keeps on stabbing people inside.
Cyberbullying is one of the biggest problems that we are facing right now. It is extremely so dangerous for society. Both of the victims and the bully can bear negative consequences as a result of it.
How can we prevent these things to happen?
First is to know about the media information literacy. It is about understanding how to use media responsibly and critically. It empowers us to navigate the digital world safely.
Second is to gather information first and make sure that the information that you're going to share is true.
Lastly, is to think before you click. It is very necessary to check and to think first before sharing information in social media because it causes a negative effects to their life.
So, put in your mind that being media literate is not just about consuming content. It's all about creating a safety and respectful online community. So, make sure to use your technology right.